When I whip this John out, you know it's time for me to play the games on my phone. That's right. Today we are talking about my Faraday kit. There's my Faraday bag right there. Pretty much a Faraday bag is just a bag with some lining in it that radio signals can't get in or out. I got this little, I think it's called like Project Gecko or something bag here. I just got different Faraday bags, different sizes for different devices. Just extra for whenever I may need them, like driving around in the city with a flock camera. Speaking of driving, I got a Garmin GPS in here. You like that insertion? But just wait, there is more. I have a TomTom GPS with a broken suction cup. I didn't even realize till I pulled it out. I found both these at a thrift store. They're loaded with the full United States turn-by-turn navigation, a vehicle plus one, just in case I need to drive long distances somewhere. Next up is more of a placeholder item for now. AA batteries and some AAA batteries as well. They're pretty ghetto and sketch looking. I think these are ones from Harbor Freight, but I will be putting more in this kit eventually. Next up is a basic water key. You can use this at like a church, a fire station, something like that, and it'll help you get water out of those faucets sticking out of the wall. I got my little Smith & Wesson knife right there. That's a horrible opening. Let's try that again. My Smith & Wesson knife. Yes, my M&P. Pretty sturdy, pretty big. It was an extra one I had, so I decided to leave it in there. Faraday bag number 3 is up next. It was part of like a 5-pack I got on Amazon. It was like 20 bucks for 5, so I decided more the merrier. An old Motorola phone that I de-googled, and I put a bunch of open source apps, some offline maps, music, offline communications like Meshtastic. Speaking of music, I have 2 pairs of wired headphones and a headphone adapter for the iPhone. I have a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. It has 2 USB-C slots and 2 lightning slots in it. Up next, we have a pair of Bluetooth headphones. These were just some old running headphones I had laying around. Didn't feel like throwing them away, so I threw them in my little Faraday bag. It's a 4th Faraday bag. Let's see what's inside. It's an iPhone 13 Pro, wow, with a charging cable. Again, kind of the same concept as Motorola, has offline maps for, I think, the whole world on it. This has games and stuff on it, and both phones have an app called QX, which has Wikipedia and books all offline. Pretty much those devices are just there to keep your sanity for a while things are going down. You know, maybe if you have kids, you can just hand them one of these phones, keep them entertained for a while. Here's a more expanded view of what the kit could look like. I added 2 3DSs, a DSi, and a Game Boy Color, as well as some more charging cords. I would probably add some Meshtastic radios, more power banks, handheld radios, like ham radios or GMRS radios. Here's a close-up of those 3DSs and DSs. Yes, they all have games in them. You know, this is just real basic stuff to keep you entertained, keep you informed, to have a basis of information that maybe other people won't have, that you have pre-prepared for whatever is coming next, you know? Like maybe you meet some people who are completely just outdoor lore dead, and you want to be able to hand them a Wikipedia article on how to filter water. And oh, look at that. I got Angry Birds Star Wars. Here's a look at that Android phone. You can see some apps there like Meshtastic and some privacy apps, organic maps, Signal. There is all the maps I have of the United States. But yeah, I've just been putting this kit together. It's not anything special. It's literally just the scrap of extra technology and stuff that I have around the house, stuff to kind of keep you sane, keep you occupied in the moments in between, while patrolling or, you know, helping your community members out. Hey, here's Angry Birds, have at it. Just a little morale booster. Morale is very important once you get in the stink, if you know what I mean. All right, guys, we're all in the rat race. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.